Construction and lifting machinery / boiler making & welding training +277 31 58 24 36 landline 01 182 411 89/060 429 1718 or WhatsApp 07 31582 436. Email us newlanioperators@yahoo.com 27 7 31 58 24 36 / WhatsApp 0731 582 436. The center can provide safety courses for self-sponsored and corporate clients for the following: lifting construction machines 7 to 10 days. Counterbalance forklift 5 days. Reach truck / container holder 5 days. Excavator operator training. Drill rigging operator training. Dump truck LHD scoop operator training. Mobile cranes operator training. Overhead cranes operator training. Front end loader operator training. Tractor loader backhoe operator training. Front end loader operator training. Grader operator training. Bulldozer operator training. Tower cranes operator training. Welding courses 3-4 weeks +277 31 58 24 36. Arc welding, ARGONY welding, FLUX-CORE welding, double coreded welding, gas cutting, boiler making 5 to 8 weeks, pipe fitting, panel beating 3 months. Germiston, Gauteng, South Africa, Africa. Phone +277 315 to 82,436. Job assistance after training. Secunda, Rusteinberg, Mokopane, Kimbery, Durban, Port Elizabeth, etc. Free accommodation. We are committed to upholding the National Code of Practice for the evaluation of training providers for lifting machine operators, under the Driven Machinery Regulations in the Occupational Health and Safety Act 85 1993, as well as the good principles underpinning the national qualification framework. We further commit to the prescribed values of the South African. Call us on +277 315 82 436 in South Africa.